Before buying glue for your automotive plastic, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Super Glue XXL. Let's kick things off with the Super Glue XXL from ARKA. Priced at $9.99, this one caught my eye because of its massive 1.76-ounce size, which is pretty impressive for a super glue. If you want a reliable adhesive that can handle both everyday fixes and heavy-duty tasks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Super Glue XXL is designed to provide an industrial-strength bond and works on a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and wood. With a full cure time of just 3 hours, you won't be left waiting around. The rapid drying formula means it reaches maximum strength in seconds, keeping your project moving forward. Plus, it dries clear, so that's great for visible areas where you want to maintain a clean look. It has a stellar 4.6-star rating with over 21,200 reviews, showing that many people trust it. Now, some people complained about the precision tip clogging after extended use. Here's the thing though, if you store it properly and use it regularly, that shouldn't be a deal breaker for most DIYers. This is perfect for you if you need a strong adhesive for multiple materials without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something specifically for intricate crafts, since it might be overkill for small projects. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick automotive repairs. Product number 2, JB Weld Plastic Bonder. Next up is the JB Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder. At just $7.73, this product is a steal for the performance it offers. If you're looking for a quick-setting adhesive that really holds, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you. The JB Weld Plastic Bonder is a 2-part urethane adhesive that sets in about 15 minutes and can be sanded after 30 minutes. This means you can get back to your project much faster than with other glues. With a tensile strength of 3,770 psi, it's not just for plastics. It works wonders on composites and coated metals too. It's perfect for filling gaps and repairing parts like bumpers, which is often a concern for automotive enthusiasts. It has a solid 4.6-star rating with 18,800 reviews, further proving its reliability. Now, some users noted that it can be a bit messy to mix if you're not careful. Here's my take. Just ensure you have a mixing tray handy, and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for a strong bond that sets quickly. Skip this if you need something for very delicate work, since it's more suited for robust repairs. Now, if the messiness in mixing bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, JB Weld Plastic Bonder Tan. The next contender is the JB Weld 50133 Plastic Bonder, coming in at $6.79. The tan color caught my attention because it blends well with many automotive surfaces. If you want a strong adhesive that's easy to use, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. Similar to the previous JB Weld, this one also has a quick-setting 2-part formula that allows for a 15-minute set time and a full cure in just 30 hours. With the same tensile strength of 3,770 psi, it's highly effective for plastic repairs and filling gaps. The syringe application makes it super user-friendly, and with 4,700 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, it has a loyal following among DIYers. But some users pointed out that the tan color might not suit every repair. Here's the thing though, if you often work with tan or light-colored surfaces, this could actually be a benefit. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable adhesive for various automotive tasks. Skip this if you want something that dries completely clear. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next product offers a unique feature for those who need something very specific. Product number 4, JB Weld Plastic Bonder Black, 2-pack. Now let's talk about the JB Weld Plastic Bonder Black in a convenient 2-pack for $15.46. If you frequently find yourself repairing automotive plastics, this could save you some cash in the long run. Here's why this matters for you. Like its single-pack sibling, it offers a strong, lasting bond and sets in 15 minutes. The 2-pack means you won't run out in the middle of a project, which is a common frustration for DIYers. It has the same 3,770 psi tensile strength and is ideal for a variety of materials, making it a go-to for those tougher repairs. With a similar rating of 4.6 stars from 18,800 reviews, it's proven to be reliable. However, a few users mentioned the price might be higher than some alternatives. Here's my perspective. Considering that you get 2 syringes, it effectively cuts down on cost per use. This is perfect for you if you're planning to tackle multiple repairs at once. Skip this if you only have one small project in mind, as it may be more than you need. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle environmental factors, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, 3M Plastic and Emblem Adhesive. Finally, we have the 3M Plastic and Emblem Adhesive, priced at $19. While it's on the higher end, it has some serious strength behind it. If you need something that can stand up to environmental factors, this one could be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you. This adhesive isn't just for quick fixes. It bonds fully cured automotive paints and plastics for both interior and exterior applications, which is huge if you're working on a vehicle. It dries clear and creates a permanent bond, which is particularly important if appearances matter. It sets in about 15 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours, giving you confidence in its effective hold. With a 4.6 star rating from 2,500 reviews, it's clearly respected in the field. Now, some folks found it a bit pricey compared to others. Here's why I think it's worth it. The durability and resistance to water and heat make it a reliable choice for long-term repairs. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with exterior automotive repairs or attaching emblems. Skip this if you want a quick temporary solution, since it's designed for permanent bonding. So there you have it. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what's most important for your specific needs. To summarize, we've covered some great options. The Super Glue XXL offers an industrial strength bond. The JB Weld plastic bonder is quick and reliable. The tan variant is great for blending. The 2-pack gives you extra value, and the 3M adhesive is designed for durability. Choose based on your specific needs, and you can't go wrong.